Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the RAM 1500 model year and current navigation software version, so you fetch the correct package. Next, prepare a 32 GB USB stick formatted to FAT32. This prevents installer errors. Once ready, sign into the manufacturer portal with the VIN, select the single approved navigation update, and download the update file to the USB root. Make sure the download completes and the file checksum matches the provider's value before moving to the vehicle. You continue by parking safely, setting the parking brake, and placing the ignition in accessory or run mode as instructed. This maintains power during the process. Insert the prepared USB into the console port and follow the on-screen prompts. Select Install when prompted and confirm you want to replace current maps and software. During the transfer, don't open doors repeatedly or remove the USB. The system will reboot one or more times. Once the progress bar reaches completion, wait for the final confirmation. You finish by verifying the new navigation version in System Settings and running a quick route to confirm maps and voice guidance function. If the install fails, first retry. Reformat the USB to FAT32, re-download the exact update for your VIN, and try again. Corruption or wrong format is the most common cause. If problems persist, record any error codes, capture screenshots or phone photos, and contact dealer support. They can push an official recovery or perform a diagnostic update.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.